என் பெயர் நக்ஷத்ரா. இன்று ஆசிரியர் தினம். ஆசிரியர் பணி என்பது அறப்பணி, அதே பிறருக்கு அர்ப்பணி. மாதா பிதா குரு தெய்வம் என்ற வரிசையில் தெய்வத்திற்கு முன்னால் இடம்பெற்றவர்கள் தான் நம்ம ஆசிரியர்கள். அன்பை ஊட்டுவதில் அன்னையாய், அறிவை வளர்ப்பதில் ஆசானாய், தவறுகளை தட்டி கேட்பதில் தந்தையாய் இருப்பவர்கள் தான் நம்ம ஆசிரியர்கள். நீங்கள் எடுக்கும் பரிமாணங்கள் எத்தனை எத்தனை! கைவண்ணால் கையில் கிடைக்கும் எங்களை உருட்டி உடைப்படாமல் உருவமாய் செய்பவர்கள் தான் நம்ம ஆசிரியர்கள். எவ்வித எதிர்பார்ப்பும் என்று என்றும் எப்போதும் எங்களை நேணிப்படிகளாக நின்று ஏற்றிவிட்டு இன்பம் காண்பவர்கள் தான் நம்ம ஆசிரியர்கள். என் ஆசிரியர்கள் அனைவரையும் வாழ்த்தி வணங்குகிறேன். நன்றி.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यगणक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्ड खण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
J.C. Krishna, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, and my dear colleagues. The year 2020 has substantiated yet again the eternal versatility, the resilience, and the meticulousness of teachers. When education was threatened with closure, it was the teacher who adapted and endeavored to face the challenges and carve out a new normal. Truly, impossible does not exist in a teacher's dictionary. The teaching faculty endures to prove beyond doubt that change is always for the best. When March 22nd, when there was a lockdown started, on March 17 itself, under the instructions from our secretaries, Sri K.K. Maheshwari and Sri Hitesh Kanodia, we have started taking videos. Myself on nuclear physics and Madam Sundari on some other topic on physics. And we have uploaded on March 18 itself for our 12th standard students. So we were proactive in Kolar schools. And we began with the end in mind. We know that this is going to take place. So we began everything with the end in mind. And we also suggested our teachers, take easy chapters first, put first things first, so that the teaching becomes effective. And in the process, we saw that our teachers are winning, our parents are winning, and our students are also winning. And our teachers first understand how to go on about online teaching and then to be understood. So all the teachers of Kolar schools know they synergize, right, all their energy to put the best for our students. And at the end, the teachers and the students, they have sharpened the saw, right? Thereby, we have incorporated what the 7 habits have taught us in the pandemic period, which came in handy to us. The only community which is proud of others getting laddered is the teachers. Teachers know, they want every one of the students to go beyond their level, right? No other profession this can be expected. So teachers are special. You may remember him in service, Sir C.V. Raman was awarded Nobel Prize. They fixed a date and informed him. He refused to go on that day, telling that my students are going to come here for Viva OC. This Viva OC is important than your Nobel Prize. That is the attitude of the great teacher, Sir C.V. Raman. We in Kolar schools, we emulate all basic principles of extreme good teachers, and we want to be the best in the city of Chennai. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha.
Jai Shri Krishna, respected teachers. My name is Sanvi Radvir from First Standard B. Happy Teachers Day! Today I'm going to recite a poem which is dedicated for you lovely teachers. So let's start. Dear teachers, you are my guide, standing always at my side to tell me you provide. Help me to do the best all the time. Dear teachers, you are my pride. Always that with smile. Always so calm and polite. Always so patient and nice. Always so focused to make me bright. Teacher, I thank you from the core of my heart. Thank you again for helping me. Happy Teachers Day again. You're my rock star. I love you, teacher. Hi everyone. Happy Teachers Day to all my wonderful teachers. I thank a lot to my teachers who are taking so much pain to teachers even in this COVID time. Now it's time to say thank you to my respected teachers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now I'm going to present a small dance dedicated to my respected teachers.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। हे देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे, खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ, चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले ऐसी रंगों भरी अपनी दुनिया है क्यों सोचो ना प्यार से चुन के इन रंगों को किसी ने सजाया ये संसार है जो इतनी सुंदर है अपनी दुनिया ऊपर वाला क्या कोई कलाकार है खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे
Good morning, children. Jai Shri Krishna. Let's start with the prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. Om Bhuvasvaha Tasvaritundatevyam Vargo Devya Sahimai Diyo Nyunya Prachodayam. Let's start with your poem. Take out 14 number page. Take your point finger and read out. Rainbow, violet, rainbow, indigo, rainbow blue, rainbow green, and yellow too. Rainbow orange, rainbow red, rainbow shining over my head. Come and count the colors with me. How many colors can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, down to green. 5, 6, 7 colors can be seen. Very good, children. My 1A class, clap for my children. Thank you. I'm going to teach you addition using number line. 4 plus 5. You should do 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 9 is the answer. Anyone is having doubt? Raise your hand. Yes, Madhumitra.
Ma'am, 2 plus 1 is equal to?
2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Now time up, children. See you in the next class. காலை வணக்கம்மா சொல்றாங்களே என் பேரு ஹன்சிகா நான் தமிழ் ஆசிரியர் இப்ப நான் உங்களுக்கு தமிழ் எழுத்துக்களை பத்தி சொல்லிக் கொடுக்க போறேன் தமிழ் எழுத்துக்கள் 847 உயிர் எழுத்துக்கள் 12 அ ஆ இ ஈ உ ஊ ஏ ஏ ஐ ஓ ஓ ஔ ஆதி எழுத்து ஒன்றாக்கு மெய் எழுத்துக்கள் 18 இக்கு இங்கு இச்சு இஞ்சு இட்டு இட்டு இந்த இப்பு இன்மை ஈ இரு இல்ல இது இரு இல்ல இரு இன்னை உயிர் குரில் எழுத்துக்கள் 5 அ இ உ ஏ ஓ உயிர் நெடில் எழுத்துக்கள் 7 அ இ உ ஏ ஐ ஓ ஔ இப்போது தமிழ் எழுத்துக்கள் அனைத்தையும் கற்றுக்கொண்டோம் சொல்றாங்களே நன்றி வணக்கம் जय श्री कृष्ण बच्चों कैसे हो तो बच्चों आज हम पढ़ेंगे स्वर ओके तो सबसे पहले आप सब लोग मेरे साथ अ आ ई गाओ ओके आ ई उ री ए आई ओ औ आहा। क्या हुआ है? आप क्यों नहीं गा रहे हो? सब लोग गाओ मेरे साथ। आ ई उ री ए आई ओ औ आहा। तो बच्चों अब मैं आपको परीक्षा में अ से लेकर ए तक पढ़ना है और वो बहुत ही आसान है, ठीक है? मेरे बच्चे तो बहुत होशियार है ना? ओके, तो बच्चों किसी को डाउट है कि म्यूजिक मैम अभी आने वाली है? किसी को डाउट है तो जल्दी से अभी बोल दो। हाँ खुशी की मम्मी बोलिए। ठीक है, मैं आपको ग्रुप में मैसेज कर दूंगी, ठीक है? गुड मॉर्निंग चिल्ड्रन, जय श्री कृष्णा। आई एम योर प्रीति मैम। लेट्स स्टार्ट वार्म अप। ओके, स्टार्ट वार्म अप। Run, 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 run. Very good children. Exercise number 1. Exercise number 1. Back turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good children. Start exercise number 2. Jumping jack. Anish, Lakshudha, do it properly. Start the exercise. 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good children. Children, do not sit and do. Stand and do. Exercise number 3. Start the exercise. Side the bell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good children. Children, do the exercise daily. Take care of your health.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाएं पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। है आग हमारे अंदर पर वो ज्योत जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार।
विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वर, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर, तुमसे ही आशा, इरादों के बस्ते तुमने भरे, मुट्ठी में ख्वाबों की जुगनू रखी, गम छुपा के अपने खुशियों का पता दिया, कर्ज ये हम कैसे चुकाएंगे भला। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया। क्लासरूम जब गुम थे खोली तूने ही खिड़कियां, वेलकम जिंदगी को हमें करना सिखा दिया। ओ टीचर शुक्रिया, ओ टीचर शुक्रिया। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे
Jai Shri Krishna. Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am. Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am.
Okay, students.
Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Fine now.
Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma. First, I'll put you all in mute. Otherwise, you'll not allow me to take class. Riddhi and Kalash, you alone be in unmute.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I completed this challenge, ma'am. Challenge sums I completed.
Okay, ma. I'll check it later.
Participants. Okay, let me check the attendance.
Samiksha. All your makeup is set right only. Don't worry. Kalash, please don't scare us all with your weird expressions and noise. I'll put you on mute if you repeat it. Oh, Pooja dear, you finally decided to join my class, huh? You know something? I even forgot your face all these days. Now stop coming and sit quietly. Okay, students, all of you take your rough note. Let's have a quick test. I'll share my screen.
Ma'am, we cannot hear you, ma'am. Ma'am?
I did not talk itself, ma.
Oh. Okay, ma'am.
Hope you're able to see my shared screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start writing the test now. Hey, who's scribbling? This is the worst behavior of this class. I got the names. Samiksha and Krishan, no.
Samiksha, why did you scribble?
Ma'am. No, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Sorry. Okay, wait, where is this Krishan?
Hey, you're lying in bed, ah?
No, ma'am. I woke up before 5 minutes itself, ma'am.
Okay, why did you scribble?
Ma'am, I thought my name will not come, ma'am.
Hey, if your name is not coming, you'll continue to scribble, ah?
Yes. Chichi, no, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
You children must at least learn to respect your studies. If not your teachers. Now go and write your test.
Rona, why are you raising your hand?
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, da.
Ma'am.
Da. You're going to talk or keep saying ma'am, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I go and bring my pen and notebook from another room?
Rona, you never come to the class with your things, ah. Call your mother. I have to talk to her now.
Ma'am, my mother has gone out, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't push too hard. I saw
your mom. Ma'am, your son does not bring anything to class and it happens every day.
Sorry, ma'am. I will see that he doesn't repeat it again.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Sai, for a long time you're looking at the ceiling and thinking only. Sai Prasad?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you writing the test?
Yes, ma'am.
I asked you to memorize 7 tables more. Did you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is 7 sevens are?
49.
Correct answer only, Noda. Why are you dragging?
நான் கரெக்டா சொல்லிட்டோமா
Abba day, you celebrate this later, da. Now sit and write your test. Okay, students, this session will end soon. Finish your test and send it to my WhatsApp. Now get ready for your EVS class. Okay? Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Let me call Santosh.
Hello. Hi, auntie. This is Charan here. Hi, Charan. How are you? Fine, auntie. Can I talk to Santosh? Sure. Wait, I'll call him. Santosh, come soon. Charan is in line.
Okay, Mom. Hello, Charan.
Hi, Da. Hey, how do you do the maths test? I think I get less marks only.
Well, why, what happened?
It's all because of my mom only. She didn't inform me about the test itself.
Isn't it our duty to check the school messages regularly? Why are you blaming Auntie? Already our moms have so much of work during this lockdown and festival season. Why? What are you doing all the time?
No, Da. I just downloaded a new video game and playing it all the time.
This is very bad, Charan. Next year, we are all moving on to 6th standard and we cannot always depend on our parents to do everything for us. We should also start taking responsibilities, Da.
Okay, Da, I understood my mistake. But hereafter, I will help my parents and I will do my work myself.
Good, Charan. Oh, it's getting late now. Let's log into EVS class.
Okay. Bye, Da.
Bye.
Good morning, students.
Good morning,
Ma'am, can I be in unmute position today?
Yes, Kunal.
Jai Shri Krishna, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
What, Ritvik? Today also your mom is ready to attend class with you, ah?
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Surab, tell me.
Ma'am, can I be unmute today, please, ma'am?
Wait, da. First, let everyone join. It's already 11:05. Still, some of you have not joined. How many times to tell you all to join to class on time?
Ma'am, there is a girl from 2C, ma'am, Divya, in participants. And Ritvik has not changed his name, ma'am. It's showing 10 names already, ma'am.
எத்தனை வாட்டி ரீனியூ இருக்கா பண்ணவே மாட்டறாமா நான் தான் திட்டுறாங்க சரி அதுக்கே டென்ஷன் ஆற பேர் தானே மாத்திடலாம் இந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பாலை குடி இதுக்கெல்லாம் டென்ஷன் ஆகுமா
Every class 10 to 15 minutes goes off like this itself. Let me start the class now. Who is that raising hand now? What's them? Unmute and speak.
Ma'am, I completed the activity you gave yesterday, ma'am. You told you will give oral test today, ma'am.
Digant, I'm watching you from the beginning. You're always restless, sitting in yoga position.
No, ma'am. My pencil fell down, ma'am. I tried to take it, ma'am.
Did you prepare for the test? Wait, I'm going to ask you only first. Tell me which organs help in respiration.
Ma'am, kidney, ma'am. No, ma'am, no, ma'am. Liver, ma'am.
What, Digant? We breathe through kidneys, sir. See, if I ask a question, suddenly network problem, audio problem, everything will come. Students, everyone take your EVS textbook and take page number 7.
Ma'am, make me the host. This is my class last 15 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Come on, get ready for the PT class.
Start jogging for 30 seconds, children.
Run.
Rotate your hands and walk front and back. Pranay, you are sleeping, ah? Get up and do exercise.
Sir, break, sir. Can't go, sir. Tired, sir.
Pranay, you are also sleeping, ah? Get up and do it.
Sir, water break, sir.
Water break, ah? No water break. Just now only the class started. Come on. Do jumping squats exercise.
Game over.
What's some noise are coming from my phone? What's happening there? Let me see. Aryan, do your homework from yesterday telling you to do it.
Mom, don't worry. No school, so no one is going to check my notes.
But you have to do your homework. Your midterm test is next week. How will you study if you don't write now?
Mom, it's Corona vacation. They will anyhow promote me to 6th standard. So take a chill pill, Mom.
Aryan, are you going to write or not?
Oh no, Mom. I mistakenly deleted all the messages from your phone.
Deleted ah? This boy.
Can you please take the notes from someone and give me?
Now where do I get those notes? No other way. I have to call the PEC representative only. Nakshatra. Give my phone. Hello, Nakshatra. Hi, Varsha. How are you? I am fine. Sorry I disturbed you. It's okay. How can I help you? Please, can I get all the subject notes and revision worksheets? All the subject notes? Always the notes are shared in our WhatsApp group. Why don't you check it? Actually, Aryan deleted everything by mistake. He's not at all listening to my words. No school, no tuitions, no outings. Kids are getting bored sitting at home all the time. No. Day by day, managing kids at home is becoming difficult task for us. Yeah, don't know how the teachers managed 40 students in a class. We should really appreciate their patience and hard work. Exactly. Can you send the notes soon because the tests are approaching? Sure, we'll send them sometime. Thank you for your timely help, Nakshatra. It's okay. You're welcome. Bye. Bye, Nakshatra.
Good evening, ma'am. Mrs. Janaki here. Hope I'm not disturbing you.
No, ma'am. Tell me, how did your classes go today?
As usual, ma'am. இந்த பசங்க பண்ற அட்டகாசம் இருக்கே முடியல.
Yes, ma'am.
But sometimes, it turns funny and the whole class gets a good laugh out. So அப்படி இப்படிமா போகுது.
Happens in my class too.
Ma'am, any ideas about when we all can go back to school?
No, ma'am. Almost everyone is waiting to hear that news. With husbands working from home, children's online classes, and above all, the days with no maid, our clock doesn't seem to give us a break. What to do?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'll try and reach out to our principal, madam, and check if they have any plans for us.
Okay, ma'am. Let me know if you get any info. Thanks, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am. Bye.
Jai Shri Krishna. Good evening, ma'am. I'm Janaki, class teacher of Standard 5.
Jai Shri Krishna. Good evening, Janaki. How can I help you?
Ma'am, what is the procedure to come back to school, ma'am?
Janaki, first of all, let me tell you one thing. You teachers are doing a great job in taking online classes.
Thank you, ma'am.
And with regard to going back to school, ma, even I'm eagerly looking forward to it. But it seems so irrelevant to discuss about it at this point in time. So we will catch up sometime in January 2021 to talk about this. Until then, you continue to do a wonderful job of taking online classes. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Chalo, take care. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Oh no.
Happy Teacher's Day!
Hi all, I'm Red. Hope you all enjoyed the play. In this pandemic situation, we are all learning through online classes. I take this opportunity to thank our beloved teachers and school for all the initiatives taken at the right time. As we have seen in the play, teachers and parents are also going through many issues. From now on, we will assure our teachers that we will extend our fullest cooperation during online classes. With all your support, we will overcome this pandemic situation safely. Eagerly waiting to meet you all at our school. Thank you.